Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today we're going to create this makeup look. This is the first time that I attempt to do a drag makeup. So I hope you're going to like it, and please watch the video until the end. Thank you. And let's hop into the video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Starting off with a clean and well prepped face, and then I blocked my eyebrows with this glue stick and trying to make it stick to my forehead, and then let it dry, and then put on some powder on top of it, and then concealer to seal it off. And then using this two combination, which is super nice, as you can see. And don't forget to blend it well. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me and the Super Stay 330 and the 128. Mix it together, and this is the foundation or my base. And then don't forget your neck, and voila. So for my concealer, I use the Maybelline concealer, and then blend. And you know, I find it hard. Please disregard my eyebrows because I'm still practicing in how to properly conceal my brows. So please, if you have suggestions, please leave it in the comments below. And for my contour, I use the LA Girl. I know that you're going to say, wow, that's a lot of powder, but it's okay. I'm going to blend it all together later. And then for my brows, I'm just tracing it just like so. So sorry, I think I've done it wrong. It's supposed to be lower and well, it turned out to be fine. And starting off with my eyeshadow, I use a light brown eyeshadow as my first color, and then top it off with darker brown on my crease, trying to create a fake crease or larger crease. And then concealing my eyelids, making my eyelids look a little bit bigger, just like drag queens, you know. And then I set it with a shimmery powder, and I also add more glitters on top of it. This is super nice, the MAC one. I don't know the shade, but I'm going to place it in the description box. And then using the same color on my lower eyes or lower lids, which is the lighter brown eyeshadow followed by the darker brown eyeshadow, and then creating a more deep crease. And then don't forget to blend. Take the brown and fade it into the shimmer, lightest brown that we use. Okay, always blend if you're trying to mix colors. Okay, and take a black eyeshadow. Be careful of the fallouts. I blend. Take the lightest highlighter and highlight this area. Do the eyeliner. Powder to our face. And let's spray a bit dark bronzer. Ooh. This is not a little, it's a lot. Snatch girl. And remember the excess we will be for our nose contour. Highlighter everywhere. Oh my god. This is too much. Okay, blush on. This is super glow. Okay, because the highlighter is so blinding. Hala. For our lips, we will be using this. And of course, lip gloss. And I will just fix my hair and I'll be... Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and may you're going to share it. This is the first time that I tried a drag makeup, so I hope you're going to support me on this journey. So bye bye for now. Thank you so much for watching and sarange. Bye bye.